In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale blurry photos, like a pro in the Google Gemini Windows app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to guide the app to clean up a fuzzy image and bring back as much detail as possible, using a simple prompt and a couple of quick clicks. Start with the app open on your desktop and focus on the message box at the bottom. Type a clear instruction that tells Gemini what you want it to do with your photo. Keep it straightforward and specific. For example, upscale and enhance this blurry photo. Increase resolution, reduce blur and noise, keep skin tones natural, and avoid heavy sharpening artifacts. Short, direct language helps the model understand the goal and reduces guesswork. If your image has a subject, like a landscape or a product, mention that in the text so the enhancement prioritizes the right details. Next, look for the small plus icon near the prompt area. Click it, then choose the Create Images option. This puts Gemini into the right context for visual work, so your prompt and the upcoming upload are handled together. If you don't see the option immediately, hover near the input field and the menu should appear. Selecting Create Images ensures the app is ready to apply enhancement and upscaling when your photo arrives. Click the plus icon again to attach your blurry photo. Select the file from your computer and confirm. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. For best results, try to upload the highest resolution version you have. Even if it's soft, a larger original gives the model more signal to work with. Avoid uploading images that contain sensitive or private information you don't want processed. Before sending, take a second to reread your prompt. If you care about a natural look, say so. If you want to preserve film grain or avoid plastic skin, include that too. When you're satisfied, press Enter to submit. That single action pairs your instructions with the image so Gemini knows exactly how to proceed. Now give it a moment to process. You may see a spinner or status indicator while the enhancement runs. Processing time varies based on image size and system load, so be patient. Larger or noisier photos can take a bit longer. Keep the app active so your computer doesn't sleep mid-task. When it's done, you'll receive an enhanced result. Look for crisper edges, cleaner textures, and reduced haloing, especially around faces, text, or fine patterns. If the look matches your prompt, you're all set. Enjoy your newly upscaled, sharper photo.